Hola, peopleinas.
What's happening?
Well-
Stuff.
Welcome to another episode of the Disney Beams. I'm Jerry.
And I'm Gooch.
And Josie's in there watching Roadrunner and
Roadrunner
Coyote.
by Cody is one of her new loves, which was my favorite Looney Tunes cartoon characters.
I like Bugs Bunny.
She likes Bugs Bunny, but those are my favorite cartoons.
But she also loves Bugs Bunny.
She does. Actually, you know what? She loves them all.
She really does.
Yeah, because we haven't had one on that she doesn't like. But, you know, we're teaching our old school.
It's the only school there is, yo.
That's right.
So, like I said, welcome to another episode of the Disney Beams. What we got for you today is...
Let me see.
We got a box. And you want to know, what's in the box?
What's in the box? Look at that. It's a big box.
Don't show her.
It's a big
Her dress.
box. Yeah.
Don't show her dress.
I know. It's okay. But it's from... You know,
Mickey's Mystery Box.
Look at that. And
And
this
is
is a big box.
huge box. So we always get the Spoonful of Sugar box, which is the smallest one.
And this one's huge.
This
I don't
one's
know where this
huge.
one
I
came
don't
from.
know. Maybe whatever it is really
Maybe
really
it's just big. But we've broken the tape on the box, so it'd be
have not
easier
looked
to open.
inside.
We have not looked inside.
And it says thank you for ordering from Mickey's Mystery Box.
Mickey's Mystery
So
Box.
let's unbox the
Find out
magic.
what's in the box.
What's in the box?
What's in the box?
Yeah, there's something big. Let's see.
Oh, I see all kinds of stuff. Let's
Yeah.
go in here.
All right. So, well,
Here's the map.
we got a map. It looks like it's Epcot. It is Epcot, and it's an older one. It's the Festival of the Holidays,
2017.
which we were there in November. So that's really cool. That's a really cool memento.
Yep,
We did
very
not
cool.
have that one before. So I think I want to do the unwrapped one first. So what am I seeing here, though? Okay, this is definitely for Josie.
Josie.
She loves this guy.
Oh, and she doesn't have anything for
No,
him,
she
Tim.
doesn't. So
It's
this
almost like someone new.
it is Captain Jake.
Captain
Here,
Jake.
put the box over there while we're
It's Captain Jake.
This is Captain Jake. If you've ever seen Jake and the Neverland Pirates, which is on Disney Junior, Josie absolutely loves him. There's his sword, and then he's in his captain gear because the first couple of years he was just a
It
Neverland
was
pirate,
just Jake and the Neverland Pirates.
and then he
Now it's Captain
got the
Jake.
sword and he became
And his captain's hat.
and he defeated the big
He
villain
defeated
guy.
a big villain guy and became Captain Jake.
Captain Jake, but see, he's got that. And
Yeah.
so she's going to look, Captain Jake and the Neverland Pirates. So
Is there a price point on there?
the price point is
$19.99. So we've almost already paid for the box.
yes, we did. So she's going to love this
And
one.
there's a lot more still
We'll
in
call
this
her in.
box.
We'll call her in here to show it to her once we're
There's
done.
still, you may as well go ahead and just open this up because the other thing is in styrofoam.
Oh, interesting. Okay, so I'm feeling a handle, so I'm thinking this is a mug. So let's tear into this. See if you can entertain them while I'm.
Oh, you know what we
wax
forgot to
poetic.
do? It's not blue.
It's not blue this time, but
It's red and white.
well, there you go. Well,
Here, I'll
There we go.
crown myself too.
crown yourself. Well, there wasn't that much in the way of the confetti, or the confetti, so I didn't think about it. Man, they wrapped this sucker good.
Yes, they did.
Okay, it's a. shape.
Oh, look at that.
So it is.
Oh,
It's
wow.
a Porg mug.
Nice.
Okay, so we're finally going to be able to see The Last Jedi on Monday since we're both off for.
We're filming this on Friday.
For MLK.
On Friday. Yeah, we're both off for MLK, so we're gonna go see it on
Oh, we
Monday.
got a Porg mug.
Nice.
See if I can. Yeah, you can see his mouth.
That is all. It's a big mug
That's
too.
huge. Look at how. See, that's ginormous. And
That's $19.99.
$19.99. So we got $19.99 and not.
So we're up to $39.98.
And I pay $29. Well, not counting shipping, it's $29.99 a month. And then with shipping, it's around $40.
So we've covered the cost.
It's a Porg.
It's a Porg. What? And there's something that's they've got a sticker inside. It's almost like a porcelain mug.
It really is. It's very. Oh, it feels very sturdy.
Yep.
That might
like
be
that.
that might be a display mug as opposed
I
to
think it is a display mug. I think that's
It's
what's going to be.
that's so awesome. I haven't seen the movie yet. I don't know, but the Porgs look so cute. On Twitter and on YouTube, there's a guy called The Day of Steve, And he's like obsessed with the Porg. So that one's for
Porg.
you. That's for you, Steve. Mr.
Porg.
Mr. Porg. That's for you.
Porg master.
So,
All right, so
that's awesome.
So we have another item in here, and it is taped. So I need to break this tape because it's in styrofoam.
Right.
And it says the description is a D17 clip frame WDW.
Ooh, let's just
So
find
we're
out.
gonna see what this is.
But so how while he's doing that, how you guys doing? Hope you're doing well. We're just you're gonna have to do a little bit more than that.
Yeah, good. They packed this one pretty good.
Well, I would imagine so. I think you're gonna have to do it all the way around. Like that.
And then do it like that, and then just
Open
open it up again, kind of like Pac-Man.
Wah.
Oh my goodness, look at that.
Oh, that is bomb diggity. Oh, so if you remember, we got another Mickey.
It's a photo clip.
Clip. That one though, that's Sorcerer Mickey.
And Sorcerer Mickey is her favorite
I
iteration
love
of Mickey.
Sorcerer.
And the back has the icons from all four parks.
There's Animal Kingdom, and there's the Tower of
Terror, and there's
Castle,
and then there's
Spaceship
Earth. So it represents all four parks at Walt Disney World.
This may be the best box yet.
And you can put your picture right there.
Yep. Oh my God,
That's awesome.
This may be the best box yet. That doesn't include Haunted.
So you know what we could do with this? We could take the portrait of Dumbo that we received from Mickey as a thank you.
That's right.
And we could put it right there.
Yeah.
That's really awesome.
Well, what's the price point? Let's find it.
Probably a lot.
It is $16.99, and it's very substantial. Oh my gosh. Oh.
That is it for the box, but that was
That's fantastic. I mean, so we got Jake for $19.99.
Got the Porg for $19.99.
Porg mug for $19.99, and the Sorcerer Mickey photo clip frame for $16.99. That is fantastic.
That's a great box.
For $29.99, that is fantastic.
That is a great box.
So, so let us know what you think about these items. If you get Mickey's mystery box, comment below. Let us know what you got this month. The trip vlogs are continuing. We are now into May. I was supposed to release it on
Wednesday, but we put it out
yesterday. Sometimes that happens. Sorry.
Well,
Things happen.
It's been really cold. We'll just put it at that.
It's been really cold, and
Finally
now
started to warm up. We got 60
and then
today.
and then it warmed up, but now it's like raining like cats and dogs. So,
yeah, well, it's supposed to be cold again tomorrow.
But where are we going to be in 16 days?
We're gonna be at Walt Disney World, and we're staying at Wilderness Lodge. Oh, in case you haven't heard.
Yeah, so 16 days from when we're filming this. So if you're going to be at Walt
And we're
Disney...
filming it on the 12th.
Yes, we're filming on the 12th. So if you're going to be at Walt Disney World from, let's say, the 28th of January to February 3rd, let us know. Come by and see us. We already know a couple of vloggers that are going to be there, and we're going to try to hang out with them.
Yep.
And
say hi.
so, yeah. That
was it Magic Geekdom
and my brain just went out. Sorry, my brain just died. Sorry, but if you are going to be there, please let us know.
Yep.
And we are going to continue our top 5 series. And
what's the next in the top 5?
It is Magic Kingdom attractions. No rides.
Kingdom attractions,
no rides. We've already done one for the rides, so you can check the Disney Memes WDW Goodness playlist. All of our Walt Disney World content, trip vlogs, everything is on that playlist. I have separate playlists for each of our trip vlogs. So yeah. So I think that's it. Hey Josie, look what you got.
Check it out.
I know it's Jake!
Oh, come here.
Gimme.
Hi. Oh.
Do you love him?
You love Jake, don't you?
I want to.
Yeah.
Well,
he's yours.
How about that?
Say
You
yay.
say thank you, Mickey's mystery box.
Say thank you, Mickey's mystery box.
They're talking.
Well, tell him right there.
Well, say thank you, Mickey's mystery box.
Thank you.
All right.
What's that stuff in there?
I don't know. All right. So
Look, he's got a sword.
I know he's got a sword.
I know.
He
All
fought
right.
rocks.
So for what's your name?
Beam.
Josie Beam.
Peach?
I'm Cherry, and we are the Disney Bees. And as we always love to end our videos with, Josie, you want to help me out?
Yeah, peas.
A little bit of pixie.
That's a little bit of pixie dust. Mwah.
See ya.
Let's keep talking.
No, we're good.
We're signing off, baby girl.
We're signing off. Say,
I want some more. There's some more stuff in there.
Well, there's no more
no,
stuff
there's
in
no
there.
more stuff. We got it all. We got
Yeah,
plenty.
we got plenty.
All right, say bye, guys. We'll see you real soon.
See ya.